If your Ford displays a cranking time exceeded message, it means the engine control module detected that the starter motor was engaged longer than the safe limit, usually around 10 to 15 seconds. This is actually a built-in protection feature designed to prevent damage to the starter, battery, and electrical system. In most cases, the issue is related to weak battery power, fuel delivery delays, or starter system faults. The key is to act quickly and troubleshoot step by step. Important steps. 1. Turn the ignition completely off and wait about 30 seconds before trying again. 2. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes to reset the powertrain control module, then reconnect it. 3. On newer Ford models, turn the key to the run position without starting the engine and press both the brake and accelerator pedals simultaneously for a PCM reset. 4. Test the battery voltage. It should read around 12.6 volts at rest and not drop excessively during cranking. 5. Check the starter system and fuel pressure if the problem continues. 6. Scan the vehicle with an OBD2 diagnostic tool to identify any stored fault codes.